Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Art of Decor, and thank you so much for watching my channel and support me and my channel. Did these some home decor tips spark your creativity? Show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more event designs inspirations. Here are some inspiring benefits of incorporating indoor plants and implementing strategic placement ideas to transform your space into a green oasis. Improved air quality. Indoor plants are natural air buffers capable of removing harmful toxins and pollutants from the air, such as benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroline. By strategically placing plants throughout your space, you can create a healthier environment for you and your family to breathe in. Enhanced well being. Studies have shown that indoor plants have numerous psychological benefits, including reducing stress, anxiety, and fatigue. By surrounding yourself with greenery, you can create a more calming and relaxing atmosphere, promoting overall mental and emotional well being. Bringing nature indoors. Indoor plants allow you to bring a touch of nature indoors, even in urban or confined living spaces. By incorporating plants into your interior designs, you can create a connection to the natural world, fostering a sense of tranquility and harmony within your home. Visual appeal. Indoor plants add visual interest and textures to any space, enhancing its aesthetics appeal and creating a more inviting atmosphere. Whether you prefer lush foliage, trailing vines, or sculptural succulents, plants can add a pop of colors alive to your decor. Space optimization. Strategically, placements of indoor plants can help optimize your space by filling empty corners, softening hard edges, and creating visual focal points. By carefully selecting the size, shape, and placing of plants, you can make the most of every inch of your space. Flexible designs elements. Indoor plants are a versatile design elements that can easily adapt to any decor styles or color schemes. Whether your space is modern, traditional, eclectic, or minimalist, there are plants and placement ideas to suit your aesthetics, preferences, and designs goals. Personalization. Incorporating indoor plants into your space allow you to express your personality and style preferences. From large statement plants to tiny succulent arrangements, you can personalize your space and make it uniquely your with these additions of greenery. Seasonal variation. Indoor plants offer the opportunity to change and evolve your space with the sense. By rotating plants, experimenting with different species, and updating your plants arrangements, you can refresh your space and keep it feeling dynamic throughout the year. Cost effective decor. Indoor plants are an affordable and cost effective way to enhance your space and update your decor. Compared to others designs elements such as furnitures or artworks, plants are relatively inexpensive and offer long-lasting beauty and enjoyment. Sustainable living. Incorporating indoor plants into your home decor is an eco-friendly and sustainable choice. Plants help reduce energy consumptions, improve indoor air quality, and promote biodiversity, contributing to a healthier and more sustainable living environment. Overall, indoor plants placings in ideas offer numerous benefits of transforming your space into a green oasis, ranging from improved air quality and enhanced well-being to visual appeal and sustainable livings. By strategically incorporating plants into your interior design, you can create a space that is not only beautiful and inviting but also healthier and more harmonious. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.